Between the hours of 3 p.m. and 6 p.m., there's a spike in teen pregnancy and juvenile delinquency. During the fall of 2015, the Agape Youth and Family Center launched an $8.5 million capital campaign for the purchase and renovation of a facility in the Atlanta community for underserved children. I'm here today to just show you around so that you can see all of the wonderful progress that has been made over the last few months. We are now in the gymnasium, and we're just so excited about this space. There are no other programs and services in the community for the children. Agape offers in-school, after-school, summer, and mentoring programs. Now let's move on to our state-of-the-art computer lab. This is our state-of-the-art computer lab. Many children we serve don't have computers. And as you know, most homework these days requires the use of a computer. And next, I would like to show you our library. This is our library. We are so excited about this library because it's not your typical library. When the students walk into this room, they will want to read. They will be excited about reading. So this will be a nice, quiet space for kids to read. Now I would like to show you our teaching kitchen. This is our teaching kitchen. And I have to tell you, we're really excited about our teaching kitchen. It will afford us the opportunity to do food demonstrations and to teach our children, parents, and senior citizens about healthy eating. Now, we would like to show you our Center for Senior Citizens. This is our room for senior citizens. The most important thing that will take place in this room is bingo. Our seniors love bingo. So that is something they enjoy doing every single day. So they'll play bingo in this room as well as participate in arts and crafts activities. This is a dream come true for the children, families, and senior citizens in the community. We are excited to move into our new space mid-December of this year. Special thanks to our partners, Holder Construction Company, IES, and Perkins & Will. We would love for you to support the children and families in our community. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website at agapeatlanta.org.